Good morning. This is the KSL FastCast for Wednesday, February 26th. I'm Shara Park. Here are your top local headlines. New overnight, attorneys for the plaintiffs in the case against Utah's Amendment 3 filed their brief with the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals in Denver just minutes before the deadline. The documents allege the purpose of the state's amendment is to impose inequality on same-sex couples and their children. The state maintains it has the right to define marriage as between a man and a woman. The Attorney General's office now has until March 4th to respond. And breaking overnight, firefighters say smoke detectors helped save a family from a quick-moving fire. Flames broke out in the basement of the house near 4200 South and 2200 West around 2:30 this morning. It's unclear who called 911, but when firefighters arrived, the family was standing on the curb and flames were shooting out of the windows. Investigators will be on scene this morning looking for the cause of the fire. Damage is estimated between $30,000 and $50,000. And a consumer alert this morning. General Motors is expanding a recall on cars with a defect blamed for 13 deaths. Listen to this. GM says this affects 1.3 million cars built between 2003 and 2007. Here's a list of the vehicles: the Chevy Cobalt, the HHR, Pontiac G5, Solstice, Saturn Ion, and Saturn Sky. Now, the recall is to correct an ignition switch problem. If not fixed, the defect could cause the engine to shut off while driving, rendering power brakes, power steering, and airbags not operational. Now let's check out the FastCast forecast for today. One last day of nice temperatures out there before we get into some we'll call it other weather tomorrow. Salt Lake with a high of 62, Ogden 60, Provo 60, and St. George jealous 72. And that's the FastCast for this Wednesday. Have a great day.